This right here is a fun little custom message you can add on your Mac's lock screen, and I'm going to show you how to do your own. Easy peasy as always. We'll go to System Settings, Lock Screen, and enable this thing here. Set your message, and your Mac will greet you with a snarky little message next time you're logging in, or with anything you want to see there. Once you do that, drop your best lock screen message ideas in the comments below, and we'll see who has the best lock screen message on their Mac. Have fun with it. Let me know what you come up with and punch that like button below on your way out.